Okay, so you want to add a trend line to your chart in Microsoft Excel. First thing to do is to select the chart. Then you go up to this little plus button, top right of the chart. It's called Chart Elements. Click on it. And there is the option to add a trend line. So you just tick that little checkbox there, and it'll draw a trend line through your data points. Now, let me show you a few other options. I'll just untick that trend line. The other thing you can do is go to this sub-menu for trend lines and then go to More Options. Here you can change the type of trend line that's being used in your chart. By default, the trend line will be linear, but you could, for example, choose exponential. You can see that the trend line is now slightly curved. If you display the R² value on your chart by ticking down here, I'll just move this over here a little bit so you can see the number. The closer this number is to 1, the better the fit for your trend line. So for example, if I select my trend line again, then I went to linear, you can see that gives me a slightly lower value. Not much in it, but that's an option for judging what type of trend line to use in your chart. If you want to change the color of your trend line, then just click on this little paint bucket here. And there is the option to change its color. You can also change its width here. You can change the dash type to say solid. And you can even make it transparent. Now you can also forecast using your trend line. If I go back to this button, trend line options, you see down here there are some forecast options. So I can either forecast forward or forecast backward. Now on my x-axis I have temperatures, so I'm effectively looking at the relationship between the temperature on the day, say the highest temperature, and the number of ice creams that are being sold. So the highest temperature in my data at the moment is 32.8. So let's see how many ice creams I would sell if the temperature got up to 40 degrees. So I'd select my trend line. 32.8 minus 40 is 7.2. So I'm going to forecast forward 7.2 periods. And if I press enter, you can see now that this trend line tells me that I'm going to sell just under 180 ice creams at 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next video.